Good afternoon, everyone. Listening to the traffic. Squirrels are squawking because there's thunder back here. I bet we get some rain later. We need it so bad. It's so dry here. Mark's got that roast cooking in the... There's thunder. Roast cooking in the crock pot, and it's gagging me out. So I'm over here on the neighbor's porch. Neighbors. I'm on my daughter's porch. My porch is in the sun over there, and it's too hot to sit on it, but... So I'm just over here looking at the sky. See what the thunderheads look like. Oh. We need rain so bad. So bad. We'll come over here and look. And look, I watered all this down earlier today. Bone dry again. It's so hot. So hot. I want one of these in my yard. Look how blue it is. It's blue. There's some lightning showing up on the lightning detector. Is that my heart? Right there. My heart in the sky. Right there. And it's raining back over there, lightning over there. Now it's starting back behind me. We need rain. Missouri needs rain. All the leaves are falling off. Oh, she's got pretty pink crepe myrtle. I think that's what that is. We tried growing squash and cucumbers here, or cantaloupe. Didn't work. It died. It's too hot. There's a grape, another red one. This is itty bitty. This is a pink one. I want one of these in my yard. Or two, or three. Oh. Thunder, thunder. Let it rain. We need rain so bad. Birds are squawking. They're saying it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. I hope it rains. We need the rain. I hope you have a great day. A great evening. I'm just out of here. I have so many trees in my yard I can't see the sky. But I can see them over here. Thunderheads. Rain, baby rain.